How to make an Instagram avatar. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make an Instagram avatar. Okay, straight into it. First, open the app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Tap Settings. Select Account. And then tap Avatar. Tap Get Started. Now you can begin customizing your avatar. First, select the skin tone. Now you can pick a hairstyle. Tap a style to apply it. Tap the palette icon to choose a hair color. There are lots of different natural and rainbow colors to pick from. The next step is to choose a face shape. You can add facial markings like freckles, then you can add facial lines if you like. Next, you can choose your avatar's eye shape, eye color, and makeup. You can choose an eyebrow shape and color. You can also add a bindi here. Next, you can add eyewear. And customize the color of the eyewear you've chosen. Now pick a nose shape. And add any piercings. Select the mouth shape and lip color. Next, you can add facial hair. Pick a body type. Then choose an outfit for your avatar. Add headwear. And choose a color for your chosen headwear. The last customization options are ear piercings and hearing devices. When you're all finished customizing your avatar, tap Done. Then tap Save Changes. Then tap on Next. And now you're all set to start using your avatar. In Stories, use the avatar sticker options to share fun stickers featuring your personalized avatar. And that's all it takes to make your own Instagram avatar. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.